Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to wire a Grundfos Analog Timer to a Grundfos UP15 type circulator. Let's get started. So here we have the Grundfos UP15 type circulator, and here's the Grundfos Analog Timer. So we're going to go ahead and open this terminal box, and you see your three connectors right here. You just push these to open. So one is your line, so be usually your black wire or your voltage coming in, your neutral, and then your ground here on the third one. Now the Grundfos Analog Timer has these two yellow wires, and these two blue wires with these connectors. So basically we're going to use a line cord here for demonstration purposes, and I'm not going to secure these because I got to use this for another video, but basically you're going to grab your line and insert them into the slot with the blue connectors, with the blue wire and the connectors. It doesn't matter which one, so you're just going to grab and push in there until it locks. Like I said, I'm not going to do it all the way as I need to remove this wire. And then you can do the same for your neutral. And you're going to push into the other connector like this. So basically once you do that, you should have your ground and your two yellow wires. So the yellow wires will now be inserted into your L, and your neutral, and then your ground will go to ground. So basically this is how it should look. Your neutral line will go into each of the connectors with the blue wires, and then the yellow wires will go into each of the line and neutral, and then your ground goes to ground. And that's how you wire the analog timer.